Now, nationwide, there is a shortage of caregivers for the aging population. I spoke with Visiting Angels Tucson, a living assistance agency, about how the coronavirus pandemic hasn't helped this issue.
There are caregivers that cannot work because they have to stay home with their children. Their children are not in school or daycares. They are worried for their own health and safety, so they're cutting back their hours, or they're no longer working until hopefully this blows over soon.
Because the amount of caregivers has decreased, but their hours increased, agencies like Visiting Angels haven't stopped hiring.
The caregivers who are working, a lot of them are working overtime. We continue to hire to fill those positions that are open. So it's a constant need for the caregivers. It has not gone away.
Care facilities were major hotspots in Pima County. When the pandemic first hit, facilities closed their doors to all visitors, even caregivers who were not working exclusively within the facilities. It wasn't until a little later when facilities opened the doors to caregivers who worked outside those facilities, but with heavy restrictions.
The facilities were not wanting a lot of different caregivers in there. So the caregivers were going in for long hours at the request of the facility. They were okay with that. But a lot of them had the full face shields and masks and the gowns. But, it's just a different way of doing business now.
Dr. Tully-coe says Visiting Angels has always followed CDC guidelines. And now, with hiring amid a pandemic, COVID training has, of course, been added to the list of preparations.
I'm grateful that we're keeping people employed and helping people. That's key. Not only are we helping people, but we're providing jobs.
Now, Visiting Angels is looking for qualified caregivers in the Tucson area. So for information on how to apply, visit our website.